Change is constant. It's a current challenge and it's also an opportunity to evolve. This is what we experience. Companies must support their teams across the globe in embracing changes. And people must rapidly learn their skill, mindset, and behavior in order to maintain high performance and catch the opportunities of transformation. But what are the main current challenges for companies? First of all, companies need to learn about their current scenario in order to define how to upskill and reskill their people. Then it's crucial to define the gaps between the current competencies and the evolution of the roles in order to identify the must-have competencies to continue to be effective. Clients have also to help people to succeed in their roles with tailored training paths aimed at upskilling or reskilling their teams. After that, it's very important to evaluate the effectiveness of training and embrace a continual learning approach able to be impactful on their performance.